Hello students, a very happy morning to you all. In this video we are going to revise for your science monthly test, and the portions for science monthly test, as you all know, is biology chapter 3, photosynthesis and respiration. So we'll be revising as per your question pattern. Your question paper is for 35 marks, and Roman number 1, 2 and 3 are objective type of questions. You'll be asked fill in the blanks for 10 marks and choose for 5 marks and match for 5 mark. And Roman number 4 is answer the following questions in detail. So you'll be asked 3 detailed answers which carries 5 mark. So totally you'll be getting 15 marks for the detailed answer. So let's start with fill in the blanks. First, the end products of photosynthesis are dash and dash. Yes, it is glucose and oxygen. Second, a chloroplast consists of 2 parts. What are they, children? Yes, grana and stoma. Third one, grana are piles of flattened sac-like bodies called as thylakoids. Thylakoid. Plant exchange gases through openings on leaves called as stomata. The 2 bean-shaped dash cells surround a stoma. So they are guard cells. Guard cells surround a stoma. Next, carbon dioxide traps heat resulting in dash effect. So you all know it is greenhouse effect. So when carbon dioxide trap lot of heat, it results in greenhouse effect. Next, dash are pores on the stems, tubers and fruits through which gases are exchanged. So lenticels are pores which are present in stems, tubers and fruits to which gases are exchanged. Eighth one, in plants carbon dioxide is liberated during aerobic respiration. So carbon dioxide is given out during aerobic respiration. Ninth one, aerobic respiration produces water, carbon dioxide and energy. 10th, respiration that does not require oxygen is called anaerobic respiration. So when respiration does not require oxygen, it is called as anaerobic respiration. So children, learn all the 10 fill in the blanks thoroughly. So you'll be asked all 10 for your exam. Next, we'll quickly revise the long answer questions from this lesson. First one, describe the structure of a chloroplast with a suitable diagram. So chloroplasts are plastids that have chlorophyll and are vital. Vital means very important for the manufacture of food. And each chloroplast consists of 2 parts, grana and stoma. So grana are piles of flattened sac-like bodies and stoma is the liquid matrix. And the flattened sac bodies are called as thylakoids. And the thylakoid membrane contain protein complex. They have protein that have chlorophyll, and it is here that the photosynthetic reaction occurs. So for this question, you must draw this diagram also, the longitudinal section of a chloroplast. Next, question number 2. Describe the structure of stoma with a diagram. So we know that leaves have minute openings. What are these openings called as? They are called as stomata, through which gases are exchanged between the atmosphere and the plant. And the stoma consists of 2 bean-shaped cells. These cells are called guard cells bordering the opening. The stomatal pore open when the guard cells draw water from the surrounding cells and in response to various stimuli such as the light, intensity of light. And the 2 cells bulge outward as they get swollen with water. So when they are swollen with water, they bulge outside. This opens the stomatal pore. So this opens the opening, stomatal opening, allowing for the exchange of gases. When the guard cells lose water, they shrink and close the opening. So stomata usually open during the day and close at night. Next, what is the significance of photosynthesis? First, it is the process by which plants make or prepare food. Herbivores eat plants and use up a part of the food stored in these plants to get energy. The rest is stored in the herbivore's body and they are utilized by carnivores that feed on them. Thus, most organisms are dependent on photosynthesis for food. Second, most organisms require oxygen for respiration. So we all need oxygen for breathing, for respiration. So that is supplied by plants. Third one, photosynthesis help in maintaining the level of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. So carbon dioxide is released into air through many processes like respiration, breaking down of organic matter, burning of fuels. So if carbon dioxide is continuously released into air, there will be increased level of carbon dioxide in the air, which will lead to greenhouse effect and global warming. So plants help in absorbing those carbon dioxide. So they are like lungs of the earth, which help in purifying the air. Next, compare how photosynthesis and respiration occur in plants. So in photosynthesis, energy is used to manufacture food, whereas in respiration, food is broken down to give energy. So in photosynthesis, as we all know, light is needed, but in respiration, light is not required. Third one, carbon dioxide and water are the raw materials, whereas glucose and oxygen are the end products in photosynthesis. But in respiration, the process starts with glucose and oxygen and the end products are carbon dioxide and water. So it's just the opposite. Fourth one, occurs only in the cells of green parts that contain chlorophyll. So photosynthesis occur only in the green parts of the plant, whereas respiration can occur in all the cells of the plant. So the site of photosynthesis is chloroplast, whereas respiration, the site for respiration is cytoplasm and mitochondria. So since photosynthesis, for the process of photosynthesis, the plants need sunlight. So this process can occur only during daytime, whereas respiration can occur both during day and night. Lastly, we'll quickly revise the differences between aerobic and anaerobic respiration. So aerobic respiration requires oxygen. It requires oxygen, whereas anaerobic respiration can occur even without the presence of oxygen. Second one, a large amount of energy is produced in aerobic respiration, whereas in anaerobic respiration, very less amount of energy is produced. And third one, the end products of aerobic respiration are carbon dioxide and water, as you know, and the end products of anaerobic respiration are carbon dioxide and alcohol. So children, remember, alcohol is produced in anaerobic respiration. So next, what is photosynthesis and what are the factors that affect this process? So you all know photosynthesis is the process by which green plants prepare food using carbon dioxide and water in the presence of sunlight. And some of the factors affecting photosynthesis are light, chlorophyll, carbon dioxide and water. So students, I want you all to revise all the book exercise thoroughly and the short answers and long answer question, and especially give more importance to your revision PDF questions. Thank you students. Do your exam well.